Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saw stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. DEWALT DWX726 Rolling Miter Saw Stand. With the DEWALT DWX726, you get a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use miter saw stand. It supports most types in the market thanks to the versatile design. To work with most saws, it also features easy-to-adjust mounting rails. This characteristic is further enhanced by the simple layout that aids easy operation. Experts and consumers agree that it is among the basic types on offer, and using the stand are no-brainer for most people. The tubular frame design aims at producing a lightweight yet strong frame. This can be seen in the stand's ability to handle as much as 300 pounds. The unit has wide rubber wheels for providing a firm grip and to improve movements. They are non-marking, meaning they will not stain the floor. At number 4. DEWALT DW7440RS Rolling Saw Stand. The DEWALT DW7440RS rolling stand will work with most miter saws in the market. It can handle heavy weights with minimal issues thanks to the solid construction. Many consumers say it feels very stable and safe at the same time. Despite its sturdiness, it is lightweight, weighing approximately 33 pounds. This makes moving it as easy. The wide stand base improves stability and gives you better control of your work. It includes easy connecting stand brackets for perjuring the unit and improving its steadiness. For better transportation and storage, this unit has folding legs. It is perfect for the home, workshop, garage, and many other places. At number 3. BORA Portamate PM4000 Folding Miter Saw Stand. This miter saw stand by Portamate is fit most miter saws up to 12 inches. Using it with the saw is straightforward thanks to the universal versatile design. The BORA Portamate PM4000 is heavy-duty to put up with most jobs, including the most demanding ones. It comprises a strong tubular frame for support and good mounting bars for easy attachments of tools. Featuring a 44 by 10 by 6.5 inches dimension, it provides a practical working surface for most jobs. It also has a height of 36 inches, which works great with most people. Like most products on our list, it has good stability, moves easily, and folding legs for portability. It's good for the home, workshop, office, and other places. At number 2. DEWALT DWX723 Heavy-Duty Miter Saw Stand. Coming in a universal style, the DEWALT DWX723 stand works with different kinds of miter saws. It is perfect for heavy-duty work thanks to the superior construction. Nevertheless, the lightweight aluminum construction, 35 pounds, makes moving the unit convenient. The beams can handle up to 16 feet of material, and this makes this piece a good choice for the home, garage, workshop, office, and other places. One thing consumers give this stand a thumb up is how easy it is to assemble. You don't need lots of skills or tools. Additionally, you have simple instructions inside the pack to follow. At number 1. Bosch Portable Gravity Rise Miter Saw Stand T4B. The Bosch T4B comes in universal design and will work with most types of miter saws in the market. It can put up with heavy weights without problems and is very easy to assemble. Thanks to the heavy-duty construction, this stand provides good support to the saw and work. This leads to better work output as well as improved accuracy. It is one of the easiest to adjust courtesy of the patented gravity rise system. This saves you from wasting too much time or effort trying to find the right layout. It can handle materials extending as far as 18 feet and provides good support to prevent slippage. For convenience and easy movements, this unit comes with 8-inch pneumatic wheels. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.